What's up, guys? This Dot with Booby Trap Garage. What I'm be doing today is I got this new towing harness, and it's for adding a tow hitch or whatever. Well, I need to mount this thing, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to fabricate a way to put this under here because I don't have any other option of putting it nowhere unless I just let it hang. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the material I got, and I'm gonna show y'all the idea that I'm trying to somewhat come up with. So what I got is a tape measure here, some scrap metal, and some sheet metal seamers. Basically, I can bend metal with those and fabricate things, and I also have some metal cutters. So I'm gonna get some measurements, and I'm gonna show y'all pretty much what I'm trying to do. But first, I'm gonna go over here to my truck and show y'all the little bracket is made for the wiring harness that hangs from the truck, so I can kind of mimic that and give myself an idea of what I'm trying to go with. All right, give me a second and I'll show y'all that. All right, guys, as you can see, this little mount right here, it's holding this in. I'm gonna pretty much bend me a piece of metal and make me a mount like this under my Lexus. Give me a minute, I'll get everything together and I'll show y'all what I'm trying to do. All right, guys, we're under my Lexus. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna move this spare tire down so I can get to this plate back here. I'm gonna drill me a hole in here, make a mount to come down and go right before this bumper here. I wanna have this barely sticking out like that after I have it mounted in there. That way it'll be protected from weather. I can remove the little cap whenever I need to plug up my trailer, and that's what we're going with. So I'm gonna get some measurements, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to bend this metal. Give me a second. All right, guys, as you can see, I made me a couple marks here. This right here is gonna be my cutoff. This right here, I think it's like 4-inch drop, and that there is gonna be my bend as well. 4-inch drop, bend, mount hose, cutoff line. I'm gonna cut this off. Give me a second, get back with you after I cut that off. That's what I'm gonna do next. Got this little body dolly for metal. I'm gonna put it there like that and kind of help get my angle the way I want it. I can't show y'all everything, but this is basically what I'm doing. Just getting this angle. Alright, we're gonna go back to the truck and get some measurements. I guess some hole measurements, see where I want to put my holes or whatnot, and we'll go from there. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, as you can see, I made my pilot holes already. So I'm ready to tuck this thing up there. It's gonna go in backwards like this. I'm gonna mount the harness from the bottom side up, sticking out towards the car. So it's kind of gonna go in like that, mount from the bottom, and I'll show y'all what it looked like when I'm done. Give me a second. All right, as you guys can see, I have this bolted up to that mount. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to move my hand out the way. I'm gonna try to mount it up on this wall up here. That's gonna be my next thing. Once I get it mounted up on that wall and get it in position where everything looks good, I'll show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, this is what we looking like right here. Got all that bent up. Got me some self-tapping screws. All right, this is the back side. And here's the front side. Everything is hid pretty good. I can put my little cover back on. You can barely tell it's there. There we go, guys. Thank y'all for coming out. Booby Trap Garage. I just want y'all to know I shoot these videos just for y'all. I just be buying stuff just to add on to my vehicles, just to show y'all how to do little things that I know how to do around the house. All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe.